Hello everyone, this is Robot Manka and I'll be teaching you how to use the new LMS. So before we start, make sure that your primary profile is on your Google Chrome is your ECCT email to avoid having problems on logging in your LMS account. So to start, just simply type on your browser our domain name for the LMS, which is the fglms.ecct.edu.ph. From here, just click the login button and you can sign in using your Google account and select your ECCT email and wait for a few seconds. So that's it guys. From here you can see all the courses available under your class program. So the ICT team have already migrated all the courses under you. So as you can see, I have here five courses under me. So to start with, let's simply start clicking one course. So from here you can view your wall. This is your wall, and we have your activities, members, your progress calendar. So from here, this you can view the school calendar. You can also view the deadlines. Next, you have settings. From here, you can change your theme color. So let's go back to the wall first. So from here, from the left side, we have start meet, and so make sure guys that you when you are doing your online class, make sure to click this link, the start meet. This will redirect you to your classroom, your online classroom. So make sure to click this because the system will monitor your activity. And after clicking, make sure that you make this link visible to your students, so that your students can also view the Google Meet link, and so that the system can also monitor their attendance when they click the Google Meet link. So if you wish to generate the new Meet link, so just simply click this. So this will generate you a new Meet link, guys. So next, so if you want to communicate with your student, just simply type here. You can either schedule a post or save a draft or simply post. So on the right side, this is the leaderboard. So this will list the top student of your class from top to bottom. So next we have the activities. So say we create a module first for this tutorial. We have module 1, getting started with R. We can select the duration of this module from March 20 to March 26. That's it. And we can add the learning material. And select which module, and this points here is for the gamifications. Just you can assign 10 or 20. You can also add a due date. So and you can Then select March 2026 as its due date. Next, you can also attach a link or a file. So let's select file, choose file, and upload. You can see the file here, and simply click the create button. So that's it, guys. From here you can see the file attached. So you can click that. So this will display the PDF of this module. So make sure that the files that you have uploaded is in PDF format. You can also zoom or not zoom. So this is a pretty good system. So you can see here how many students have submitted or returned. So you will understand that how many students have read the module or not. So next you can create an assignment. Assign your assignment on time. Select a module. You can also select a file. We'll upload the same file just for this tutorial. You can also add a deadline, which is, say the deadline is March, say 24. That's it, guys. This is the assignment mode. Assignment. You can also add your practice quiz and exam. So the practice quiz is a multiple type question quiz where students can retake the exam. So this is where the student will have to practice before taking the exams. So first, before we can create the practice quiz or exam, let's go to the test builder. This is a different module. So this module will, from here, you will create your quiz, and you can create your quiz and your exam. So, and you can reuse this on your other courses. You can reuse this quiz. Mm, So to do that, simply click the create button. So make sure that you select the right type. So for this is a practice quiz. So let's simply click the quiz, and submit. No, no. Description should be like this for module 1, and submit. So to add questions on this quiz, just simply click the quiz, and before you add questions using this plus button, make sure you go to the settings first and uh, change the default by your choice. So we can either make the question required, and every question can be 5 points, or shuffle questions, shuffle choices, and can also show the progress bar. After that, no need to save. The system will automatically save your changes, and you can go back to questions. Here you can add your new questions. So this is what I have said before. For the practice quiz, it has only an option for multiple choice. So you can add your choices. So you can see there's already a default points assigned on this questions, which is 5, and the question is already required. From here you can create an answer key. Let's say it's 2. So that's it, guys. You can add more questions. Just simply click the plus button, and the total points here is 5. And you can go back to your test, so no need to save, it will automatically save. The system uses a very advanced programming to automatically save the changes that you have made. So next we'll have to create an exam. So make sure to choose the right type of exam. So from here you can select midterm. So we can add a description. So by the way, you can have your own description. So just simply click uh, just simply click this to add questions. So again, before you start adding questions, you can uh, change the default first by either required to as default assign a point value. You can shuffle choices by order and show progress bar, and then we go back to questions and click the plus button. So from here you can also select short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, check boxes, and students can also upload their answer. So this file upload is very useful when example when they are solving math uh, to show their answer or solution. So for this example, just simply use the short answer. What is my name? So for short answer, uh, you can add a correct answer, but this is only applicable to short answer. But so if you will use the paragraph, so explain why 1 plus 1 plus 6. So for this, we will not have to add an answer key because this is a paragraph type of question. So means that the teacher should manually check the students' answer one by one. So that's it, guys. That is how to create an exam. So from here, the points is because we did not add answer key here. So next is go back to test, and we're done creating our quiz and midterm exam. So we can call this and add this on our modules. So let's close that and let's go back here. So add a practice quiz. And you can add deadlines. So let's say the deadline is March 25. Can retake on your quiz master for taking the exam. So attach. So we have the practice quiz. So just click this. This is the one that we have made before. And create. So by the way guys, this system have already incorporated the drag and drop technology. Just simply click, hold, and hold, drag and drop. So like that. You can transfer it back here. So the system is very interactive to users. Next, let's add a an exam. Test module 1 midterm exam. Choose the correct answer. So can put a deadline on this. Say it's on 26 and click the midterm exam and create. So that's it guys, that is how to add resource on your module, assignment, practice quiz and exam. So basically when we click the practice quiz or the module, you can see here there is submitted, this is return. So you will can see how many students have submitted and how many of those have you have with check and return the results. And you can also you can, if you want to see to view all of this in one sheet for all students, you can simply go to the progress. From here you can view all the activities for all students and you can manually assign points. Just put number or scores. So by the way guys, this is the FG coins. This is will be used for the for our gamifications. So from here you can simply add scores. So this is very interactive now, interactive for the teachers to grading their students. So next we go to calendar. So from here you can see that module 1 is already added on our Google Calendar. We have also a deadline for assignment, the practice quiz, and the midterm exam. So and this is also already synced to your Google Calendar. So you can download the Google Calendar app on Google and Play Store or the Apple Store, and you can log in using your SCCT email to your Google Calendar. So this is a very interactive calendar. You can change the deadline by just simply click and drag. So it's already, the drag and drop technology is already incorporated in our calendar. So by the way guys, lastly we'll have to show you the logs. So from here you can view the activity of your students. If he or she is not active, you can view the number of number of posts on the wall, on the or the how many activities are submitted, the attendance, and the Google Meet. So how many times they have, or how many times, or what date they have joined your Google Meet class. So this is for monitoring your students. So for the teachers, make sure that you are also active on your classroom, because the your heads, the program chairs or the deans, or can monitor also your activity. So make sure that you are very active, so that uh, you will have no trouble, no problems. You will not encounter problems in the future because of your activity. So that's it, guys. That's it on how to basically how to work with your the new LMS. So again, I guess that's also thank you. Peace.